Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you how to crop a PDF on your Mac using built-in tools, and I'll also mention a couple of options if you need more advanced editing features. First, locate the PDF file you want to crop. Open Finder and browse to the folder where your PDF is saved. Once you find it, click the file once to select it. Now, press the spacebar on your keyboard. This opens Quick Look, which lets you preview the PDF without opening a separate app. It's a fast way to view files and make quick edits. At the top of the preview window, look for the Edit button. It appears as a pencil inside a circle. Click that icon, and you'll see several editing tools appear across the top of the window. Among those tools, you'll find the Crop option. Select it, then drag the crop handles around the area you want to keep. This is useful if you need to remove empty margins, hide unnecessary content around the edges, or focus on a specific section of a page. Once you're happy with the selection, click Done. Your changes will be saved, and the PDF will now display only the area you chose to keep. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, take a moment to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps us create more quick Mac and iPhone guides like this. One helpful tip is to make a copy of the PDF before editing if it's an important document. That way, you'll always have the original version available in case you need it later. For users who work with PDFs regularly, you may want to consider a dedicated PDF editor. Apps such as Adobe Acrobat offer additional tools for cropping, organizing pages, adding comments, filling forms, and making more detailed edits. If your workflow involves frequent PDF management, these tools can save time and provide more control. You can also use Adobe Photoshop if you need to make visual adjustments or work creatively with PDF content, although that's usually more than most users need for a simple crop. And that's all it takes to crop a PDF on your Mac. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.